Uy, nakita niyo ba yung gold pag open from weekend? Biglang nagkaroon ng malaking gap. Ano nangyari? Tara, tingnan natin. So yung gap na yon hindi na random ha. Usually, pagka may gap si gold, may weekend sentiment shift yan. Possible may news or tension habang close yung market. Kaya pag open, nag-jump agad yung price. Walang liquidity in between or sa gitna. Pero ito yung mas interesting. After ng gap, nag-spike siya pababa, 'di ba? Pakita natin. As you can see dito sa chart natin, merong malaking gap. Pag open yan ng market kahapon, 6 a.m. from the weekend, tapos bumaba siya to grab the liquidity of the buyers na naka-place dito. And after niyang bumagsak, tsaka siya umangat. Kaya don't trade randomly. Lagi kang mag-wait for the confirmation like the MSS and the change of character before taking your trades. Kasi madalas trap yan bago magkaroon ng real move. If you want more market breakdowns, follow me, no? Message me or mag-comment ka dito. Tara, trade tayo.